In this video, we will learn how to create a slide animation in PowerPoint that can be used anywhere. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Heart Shape, drag it like this. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D. Go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Union. Increase the size a little. Rotate it, adjust it. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, copy it and go to View tab. Click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here, click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it, send to back. Click on Outside, select both, go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close the master view. Click on New Slide, select this blank slide. Click icon to add picture. Select and insert it. Go to first slide. Copy using Ctrl C. Go to second slide and paste here. Click on right button, send to back. Right click again. Go to Format Shape. Click on Gradient Fill. Adjust the gradient top and select each top and use the eyedropper to choose a color. Also select direction and change the background color. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight the information here and add icons as well. Select this shape, go to Animation tab, apply floating animation. Go to Effect option, select float down. Also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this picture. Go to Effect option, select Float Up. Select Start with Previous, also increase the duration size. Apply the same animation to the rest of the text boxes using the Animation Painter. Select this icon, apply zoom animation. Select Start after previous, also increase the duration size. Apply the same animation to the rest of the icons using the Animation Painter. Now click on Slideshow. So, see how beautiful your slide looks. You can use this animation anywhere. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.